you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. Do you want to know what this is about, the swatches, how I created this look, and what my final thoughts are? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just purchased the Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette. Normally I tell you guys I don't really care too much for Urban Decay, but when I saw this color scheme, I'm like, I kind of want to try it. And maybe it's a different formula. Who knows? We're gonna find out. So I got it. I've tried it. Here it is on the inside. And what threw me off is this is actually like a fabric palette. The outside packaging is literally like fabric, and it's like has like a little cushion in there. It's like a little pillow top. I don't know. This is very, very cute packaging. Nothing like I have from them, because everything I have is like a hard plastic container. This is a velvety feel to it. Like I'm not quite sure what they made this out of, but I think it's very cute packaging. Definitely threw me off, and like a good way threw me off. So opening up the palette, again, I have already used it once. It does have a protector that's covering this mirror currently. And here are all of the colors. And that is why I was like, you know what? I want to try it. Because recently I've been trying to go back to like my browns and goldish kind of colors, and this looked like that's what it would be, because it has the browns. It does have like one like pink color in the middle, but this is what the palette looks like, and I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the entire thing for you right now. Okay, so the Naked Reloaded palette swatches are right here. So one thing that I do like though is that this, like the lighter color, and then the second lightest color is a little bit wider of a pan. I kind of wish they were all that size, because some of them I had to like get my brush and go sideways because it was thicker than the opening. But here's the palette. Here is the swatches once again. And I actually do like them. I do like the fact that there's, like I said, like the pink, there's like a coppery coral color, then there's like a copper, there's browns, there's a goldish sheen, there's like the lighter, almost like the white colors. So I actually am pleased with the color scheme in this palette. Will I use this a lot? Maybe not a whole lot, but I do see me grabbing this one before other Urban Decays that I have. So far out of my Urban Decay palettes, I even have the Cherry palette and then the Nudes 1 and 2 or something like that. This will be my favorite out of my Urban Decay collection. So I do like the formula. The first one did have a lot of pickup, which a lot of the lightest shade in almost every palette that I've ever tried has a lot of pickup, but it's okay, because then when I go in, I'll try to tap and get the excess buildup and use that. So I'm not like wasting it, and I'm not like blowing it everywhere. I still use it. So I'm actually pleased with this palette. Honestly, I'm pleased with this palette. So there's my final thoughts. I do like the way that they blended. I like the way that it looks. I like the intensity of the dark color that I put in, and the shimmer on the bottom. I went with the darker shimmer on the bottom. Normally I go with lighter. If you follow me, you know. But I wanted to try to switch things up a little bit and go with more of a a darker look. So if you want to see how I created this look, here you go. Okay, you guys, so that is how I created this look right here. Very simple, literally had my eyeshadow on within like 4 minutes. It was very, very easy, very quick, painless, and easy. So comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this palette? Do you like this palette? Have you seen this palette? Do you own this palette? Did you want to get this palette? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And for those that are still here, I did actually grab 2. This one's mine. This one's gonna be one of yours. And oh, on the back of it, it does go over all of the colors and the names and all of that. But this palette here is for one of you guys. So if you do want to win this Urban Decay Naked Reloaded palette and create amazing neutral looks like I kind of just did, but you'll probably do it better than me. If you do want to win this, then here is how. Number 1, be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do all of my giveaways, is to give back to those who are here actively and positively supporting me on my channel. You must give this video a big thumbs up. You must leave 1 comment down below, and in that comment down below, say anything with the name Naked Reloaded. Be creative, whatever you want to say. You can even say, I like the Naked Reloaded palette. Or if you want to get really creative with your sentence, but put Naked Reloaded in your comment. And then I will run this for 2 weeks. At the end of the 2 weeks, I will use a random comment picker and I will put in Naked Reloaded to cipher through all the comments to only choose one that has Naked Reloaded in the comment. Only 1 comment per username entering in the giveaway. You can leave as many comments as you would like, but only 1 entering in for the giveaway to make it fair for everybody who's still here and wants to enter to win this guy right here. Also, you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian or somebody over the age of 18 enter in for you. And you must have a United States address for me to ship it to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm shipping it to a United States address to cut down on shipping costs for myself, especially right now. So thank you guys so much. That is it. Be subscribed, like, comment, be unique with your creativity in your comment with Naked Reloaded, or just be generic and say Naked Reloaded, but don't say anything about a giveaway because some people might not stay to the end of the video and you don't want to give it away. There you go. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So kind of wanted to give back. It's hard times right now. Wanted to put a smile on somebody else's face because I put a smile on my own by using this palette because I like it. So thank you guys so much. Until next time, you know the drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.